Welcome to Bake Bliss Diaries, a little kitchen where dreams are baked into reality.
Where sunlight dances on flour, and every recipe begins with love. Every bake starts with a story, a whisper from an old recipe book, inviting us to create something magical.
Flour, milk, eggs, and sugar. Simple ingredients, waiting to become something extraordinary.
Butter melts, chocolate flows, cream rises into soft clouds.
Into the oven they go, rising, glowing, transforming. Time and heat turning effort into beauty.
A swirl of frosting, a drizzle of chocolate, a sprinkle of joy.
And here it is, a table full of sweetness, a diary of flavors and dreams.
Welcome to Bake Bliss Diaries, where every bake feels like magic.